to my channel. I'm going to be showing you guys how I styled this side part wig with crimps, and we're going to get right into it. So first off, I always like to use a heat protectant, so I'm using the heat protector by Fantasia, my favorite. You're going to apply it on and throughout the wig.
You've been missing since 2016. Squid at me 150. You know that's my.
So I didn't show on this part, but before I actually crimped the first part of the wig, or the first piece of the wig, I did apply freeze spray at first. It got to be freeze spray, so you do want to make sure you freeze spray first, or any type of hold you prefer to use. I prefer freeze spray, but make sure you do apply that first, comb it through, and then get into crimping.
Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Baby, come here, I too fry, I get burned. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the Titan. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance.
So here we have our first piece of hair crimped, and we're just gonna go ahead and crimp the rest of the hair.
She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, dance and tease. You go like the Highland breeze.
So I will also say, for each crimp that I did let the crimper sit on the piece of hair for about 10 seconds. So you'll pretty much repeat the process of that. I will put in the description the type of crimper this is. It's really good. It has a turbo mode. It gets super hot without it. So with this style, I did want like a crimp wavy look. So I didn't put it in turbo mode because I didn't want too much of a crimpy look. But it's a really good crimper. Again, I'm going to put it in the description.
Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the Titan. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna.
So now we have our crimps for the side of the wig, and now we're gonna move to the back.
Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the Titan.
So I did decide to just move to the opposite side of the wig just to speed up the process. So now we're just doing the side of the wig of the crimps, and then we'll just make our way to the back.
Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. 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 Listen, you've been missing since 2016. Squid at me 150. You know that's my sister. When she speak, I listen. She swears you're my missing. I say we think different. I see Baby, come try me. Who you gonna love if you run by me, love? Too many twists and turns, yeah. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Baby, call me eye to fry, I get burned. Love the way you twist and
So after crimping the entire wig, I did go ahead and add my KENRA light hairspray, and then right after I did apply some humidity shine spray just to add a little shine to the wig. Here I'm just showing you guys how well the crimps came out from the front and side view. So I did get that crimpy wavy look I was looking for. And you have your side part crimped lace frontal wig.